Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, my name is Matthew, and I'm a Salesforce consultant at Solved. If you're watching this video, you must be wondering, how can I easily export object metadata out of Salesforce? You could be doing this for a variety of reasons, but here are a few. Number one, you're trying to set up an integration with a third-party platform or tool, and you want to set up field mappings between the two systems. Number two, you could be migrating from another platform over to the Salesforce database. Or number three, you could be migrating away from the Salesforce platform onto a different tool. And in all of those cases, it can be valuable to export object metadata so that you can understand not only the field labels, API names, but also their types, their lengths, formulas, picklist values, etc. Now, there isn't really an easy way to do this out of the box that I've been able to find that can provide a comprehensive export of all of the metadata that I'm looking for related to the object fields. That being said, I'm excited to show you a free tool that has saved me quite a number of hours so that you can easily export object metadata and use it for whatever your purposes may be. Okay, so the tool I recommend to export object metadata out of Salesforce is Jetstream. Jetstream has a whole suite of tools that can enhance your Salesforce configuration experience, but I'm going to highlight specifically a tool for exporting object metadata. So navigate to Jetstream's website. You can use the web app version or you can download it locally. I'm using a local version here. You just need to authenticate to the org you're using. It can be a production or a sandbox org. I'm already logged into a sandbox org here. And then come over to this tab and click, Developer Tools, Export Object Metadata, or you can also find it down here. Click that link, and then it allows you to select multiple objects at one time. And it also gives you a whole list of fields related to the field metadata that you can select for your export. So for now, I'm just going to export the default fields here, and I'm going to select the account object just for this example. So with that selected, I'm going to click download here, and I will click save. Now I've just downloaded this to my machine. I've already uploaded this to a Google Drive folder, so now I'm going to show you what the export looks like in Google Drive. This is the Excel sheet that I exported. And as you can see, up here at the top, it has all of the different fields that I selected related to my field, the field metadata for my account object. So you can see name, label, what type of field. If it has a formula, that'll show up here in this column. It lets you know if you can set this field on creation. It lets you know if you can update this field after creation. It lets you know if this field can be set as null, has picklist values, length, and even more. And so this is just some of the default fields that I selected in the Jetstream tool. But there's, again, a ton of other options that you can select depending on what your use case is. If you're simply trying to build an import template or integration mappings, this should be sufficient for your needs, where it has the name, label, and the type, and the length and picklist values. So there you have it. This is Jetstream, exporting object metadata from Jetstream. Again, this tool saved me a number of hours. If you have any questions about exporting metadata out of Salesforce, automating Salesforce, or using AI in your business, please reach out to Solved and we'd be happy to help. Like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.